Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can open your DHL account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your DHL Express app on your phone. And after opening the app, what you're going to do is tap on the three-bar icon that you can see in the top left corner of your phone right here. So after tapping on it, there you will be able to see the option of sign up right here. Simply tap on it. And then what you're going to do is tap on the sign up again. So after tapping on sign up here, you can see this page where now you have to firstly write down your first name and then your last name. Then you have to write down your mobile number. And after writing down your mobile number, now write down your email address. And after writing down your email address, now you have to create yourself a strong password for your DHL account. After you have created yourself a strong password, all you have to do is tap on the next button. And then a verification code will be sent to you. Here you can see your verification code has been sent. Simply just type down the verification code. And after typing down your verification code, here you can see there will be a verification link sent to your email address. Simply just open your Gmail. And after opening the Gmail, here you can see this type of mail will be sent to you. And all you have to do is tap on the confirm email address button right here. Here you can see this pop-up where it is said that your email has been verified and your account was successfully created. Tap on OK. And then all you have to do is add in your address in here. So after adding down your address, what you're going to do is tap on the save option right here. And then if you want to add in your Face ID, you can add in your Face ID. And if you want to skip it, you can skip it. And that is it. Now you have successfully created yourself DHL account. You can again tap on the three-bar icon on the top left corner. And then here you can see your name on the top right here. And now you know that your account has been created. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.